This is Fiorella from Any House Cleaning, and we are in Ponciana, Florida. A guy called me that is a single parent, I guess, that he lived with 3 other guys, roommates. I think that the kids, because they are on vacation, they are gonna come and spend some day with the father. He hires in order to have the house clean. This is his master bedroom. We have to make the bed, organize a little bit, cleaning the ceiling fan, especially the bathrooms. Because he's a single man, I guess everything is dirty. Let me take some pictures. But he knows that he can call any house cleaning in order to do a good service, a good cleaning. Some black stains on the shower, a lot of the tub is really bad. Someone recording before, and I'm gonna do an after video. Pick up some trash, clean the toilets, pick up the clothes on the floor. Monica, in the meantime, she's gonna fix the kitchen. Throw a lot of garbage. She already put some cleaning product inside the oven. She already put the cleaning product over there. A lot of things on the floor. Just try to organize as much as we can. He hired by hour, so he just paid 3 hours, 2 people to do this job. Organize, fix, dusting, do the beds, pick up some toys, and have the house ready in order that the moms bring the kids, I guess. This room was one of her daughter's room before the mother and the kids left. So we have to pick up all the trash, organize a little bit, mop, and also do this bathroom. This is the bathroom for the roommates. Pick up trash. So this is the job for today. In the meantime, Juan Carlos and Hilda is doing 2 other regular clients. And she also needs to do inside the refrigerator. Okay, this is Fiorella from Any House Cleaning. I will start taking photos and videos. So you can call us at 407-572-4118. Thank you. Bye.